It was terrifying, honestly. Like a jet engine, the wind, just super, super high pitched. You could feel it in your ears, like the pressure just changing it in and out.
Squalls out on the Gulf Stream, big storms coming soon. I passed out in my hammock, got slept way past noon. Stood up and tried to focus, I hoped I wouldn't have to look far. I knew I could use a Bloody Mary, so I stumbled next door to the bar. And now I must confess, I could use some rest. I can't run at this pace very long. Yes, it's quite insane. I think it hurts my brain, but it cleans me out, and then I can go on.
Something about a Sunday, it's the most peculiar grade. Strolling down the avenue that's known as A1A. Feeling tired, then I got inspired. I knew that it wouldn't last long.
So all alone I walked back home, sat on the beach, and then I made up this song.
And now I must confess, I could use some rest. I can't run at this pace very long. Yes, it's quite insane. I think it hurts my brain, but it cleans me out, then I can go on.
Well, the wind is blowing harder now, 50 knots or thereabouts.
There's whitecaps on the ocean, and I am watching for water spouts.
It's time to close the shutters, it's time to go inside. And all week I'll be in Old Perry. Yeah, that's a mighty long airplane ride. And now I must confess, I could use some rest. I can't run at this pace very long. Yes, it's quite insane. I think it hurts my brain, but it cleans me out, and then I can go on.
Yes, it cleans me out, and then I can go on.
Yeah, it cleans me out, and then I can go on.